Hello, Charlie. How are you? Good. Have a seat here, please. Thanks so much. So, how are you doing? Liking the ship? What do you like here about the most? So, I guess you are here because of the seminar we had yesterday. Yeah. So, what's the most beautiful thing that you like about our seminar? The digestion system and all. That's very fantastic. So I gave everyone the consultation form. You must have filled that one. Okay? So you can have it. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. So I have already mentioned my name here. Knew my name? That's great. Okay, so what we go do now, we just go through with the form again and again. So not again and again, just one time. So we'll see that if anything here that you didn't mention it or anything that I need to know. Okay. So your name is here, ship name is here, cabin number, occupation. I was with this certification, great. So I can see that you haven't mentioned your scale level here. So do you have or do not have like any kind of stress? May I know this? Kind of anything like stress about work, about your life or family or anything, any kind of stress. Do you have it? Not so much. So 1 to 10, what's the rating you want to give it for? Just 4? Okay, that's fantastic. So there is one more question. Does your stress affect your negativity in any of the following ways? Like if you have any digestion problem or any tension or any skin issues or in sleep, like you are not able to sleep like you used to or anything like that. You are facing issues in your digestion and your sleep. Okay. Then we are going to our next point. Are you doing currently any anything for relieving your stress? I mean anything? No. So in this case, I would like to recommend you after detoxification session, you can also contact me for our meditation and yoga classes. This will really help you for relief of stress. I mean, really. So, can I ask like how much hours did you sleep on an average basis? Like you are a musician, so I just want to ask this question. That's fine, 7 hours a day. No, it's great. So, are you having any kind of body problem like joint pain or muscle aches? Like, oh, you have already marked on excess weight. That's great. Anything on your face? No. That's thank you so much. So, are you having any kind of pain in your body? Your lower back? Or it must be because of those that weight. Like when our stomach goes out, our back just fold around like this. So all the pressure comes on our lower back. That's fine. Okay. So, do you have any kind of specific uh, request or application like you want to regard the area of pain? No, not at all. Okay. So there are few things that I ask you. I want to ask you. Do you have any pacemaker for your heart? Are you using it? No. Great. Okay. So now come to the next page. Okay, so I want to tell you here like you forgot to sign here. Can you please sign it for me? Just right here. Excellent, Charlie. Excellent. So now there are some question of series before we begin for our program. I just want to ask you, like, what's your goal? Why are you in this? Why you want to be in this detoxification program? Any kind of goal? Want to lose your weight? Okay, that's pretty good. You are in the right hands right now. So just tell me how much weight you just want to reduce right now. Hmm? Like 10 pounds, 5 kg? Yeah? Okay, that sounds good. So, do you have any kind of reason why you want to lose your weight now? Like, you have been living your life for like 25, 26 years, but you want to lose your weight now. So, what's the reason for it? Okay, so you are having a medical test. For that, you have to be like 10 pounds less than you are currently are. Okay, okay. And from which part normally, like from your stomach or from your underarm, from your under chin, that we call also double chin, or from your triceps area or your thighs, or from wherever you want. So what I just want you to do, just here you can see there's a diagram here for a human body. So just draw it as per your convenience from where you want to lose the weight. Okay, stomach, thighs, or mainly stomach and thighs. Okay, great. Thanks. So, just one more question, like how quickly you want to reduce the weight? As soon as can be. Okay, that's great. We'll try our best to get you reduce your weight as soon as we can. Okay. So now that we are done with this whole consultation thing, like we have already been on you have been already in yesterday's seminar. So what I just want you to tell you here or want you to see here, like in detoxification program, we have seen a lot of things yesterday. So I have shown you a triangle. Can you remember what was the triangle for is? Great. So now just see here, I want to see here. This is the triangle. Can you remember what are the three components and what is the foundation for it? First one is great exercise. Now second one is great, like you have been paying a lot of attention to my classes. Nobody really does that. Okay. Second one is nutrition. Okay. And what one is the foundation? Detoxification. That's why you are here. So do you remember the percentage for all of that? Yes, 20% for the exercise. Now for nutrition, it was 30%. What's the remaining now? 50. Perfect. Now it's the 50% for the. So this is just a recap kind of thing. So we can understand it better in one-on-one. If you have any question, you can ask me. So now we are in our detoxification program. So when we finish our detoxification program, you should understand, and this package of detoxification also includes exercise and nutrition. So after this session, you will have half an hour of nutrition session with me, and for half an hour exercise, or you can say personal training session with me. So we can just calculate the perfect program for you here. Okay. Now, as you told me that you are very into digestion program that I showed you yesterday, so I just want to give you a like fast or quick recap here that how our just digestion or liver actually works. So, do you remember what was the four circles? First one is liver, great. Second one is sugar, excellent. Third one is energy. And what was the last one? Where our like energy goes or stored? Muscles. Perfect. So as you can see here, I just draw all four circles as you told me: liver, sugar, energy, and muscle. So what exactly happens in our body? Like we already know that liver have to do a lot of things and convert fat solubles to water solubles. But because of this toxins, and lots of water, our liver is not able to work accurately. So in that case, our body cannot convert sugar into energy, and energy cannot into muscle. So what exactly happened? That fat stored in our around our tissue and all these things. To reduce that, what we need to do, we need to remove all these toxins, so the water level reduce, the inflammation reduce, so you can lose your weight as much as you can and as fast as you can. I hope you are getting me. Any point that you don't understand here? Anything? You understand? That's perfect. So now you have already understand the program and everything here. I just have a question for you. Like once we do the test, we will get to know the inflammation of your body, the toxins in your body, the body fat, the water levels, the muscle level, of all over your blueprint of your body. Okay, so for that we can find out the program and all these things. So what I want you to let you know and remind you again, this program costs you 100 to 200 in a month, so around like $6 or $7 in a day. So are you willing to invest like $6 to $7 in a day, or you want to pay in a long term for your doctor like thousands of dollars for a month or in a year? Obviously not $6 or $7 in a day, it would be around $50 or $60 in a day and on a daily basis. But if you do the test here in just 100 200 for a month, you can be free for detoxification from like 5 to 8 years. You do not have to repeat this program for at least 5 to 8 years. I hope I'm making myself clear here. That makes sense? Great. So that sounds good. So are you willing to invest? Fantastic. So now let's explain the program in more detail. So you know what, we can first take your BCA test here and see what the inflammation rate, what's the body fat, all these things. So according to that, we'll find out the best and which is the best program for you. Okay, so just like you want to reduce our fat from here, so first we need to check that how much body fat percentage you have. So according to that, I will, and not only I, we will work on it and find the best program for you. Okay, so now I think we should select a program here. So what I'm going to do and what I'm going to ask you some of the questions. See, there are two options. One, you can book yourself here and have a detoxification program, and once you can go home and have a detoxification program over there. Now there are there are two kind of program here for detoxification. One is internally and second one is externally. I hope you understand that. Okay, so let me ask you a question here. Do you have a bathtub? Yes or no? Yes, that's great. So you are available for both of the option. You can have internal detoxification or external detoxification. The only thing I want to tell you here, internally detoxification is like you need to have capsules orally, and then externally you have to do like taking bath, or from externally actually there are some oils you need to put on your skin and all these things. Make sense? So what program you will prefer to have? Internal program would be fine. Okay, that's amazing. So here are some things that I want to tell you here. I just like to break down the program here for you for internal program. First, before the detoxification program, what we have to going to do? We are going to do the 21 days digestion program, in which like we can promote your body and prepare your body for the detoxification program. In 21 days, like this digestion program, what we are going to do for 21 days, there will be three kind of capsules which you have to take in the morning. They are like for liver cleansing and your instant cleansing and your prebiotic, and in the evening you have to take herbal tea. Making sense? Fine, not an issue. Okay, so great. So let me elaborate these things. In liver cleansing tablet, we have like two main chemicals or organics. Which one is first one is chlorine. Okay, we have intestine cleansing. In that we have inulin and probiotic. So is basically for your protect. It's for protect the stomach. So in liver cleansing, what chlorine actually do, it's low your cholesterol. Okay, that sounds great. Okay, so for intestine cleansing, what inulin do, it's a dietary fiber, so your stomach would be full for a very long time, so you would not eat a lot of things. Making sense? And fiber will also help you to digest the things very easily. Now, in what has been in the herbal tea that you have to take in the evening, it has magnesium citrate. It will reduce your fatigueness and tiredness, so you would feel more active and you can burn more calories here. Sound great? Perfect. So once we finish this 21 days with like your dietary and digestion program, then we'll proceed to the next program, which is actually the detoxification program. So as I told you earlier, there are three steps: cleansing, repairing, or vitalization. Which these are the three things. How much time it would take? 1 month for each. Great. So I want you to tell you here, like once we do the BCA test, we'll see how much acidic you are or how much toxin you have in your body. So according to that, if 3 months program doesn't fit you, so you can repeat that program again, like cleansing, repairing, and after that vitalizing, then again cleansing, repairing, and vitalizing. Sounds great. So like for first month, there would be like cleansing you have to do. There would be capsules for cleansing and enhancing, and all these tablets you have to take in the morning and at least with 2 or 3 liters of water. Seems fair? Understood? If you have any question, you can ask me here right now. No? Can I proceed? Thank you so much, Judge. So, in cleansing and enhancing program, basically what we have ginger root and green tea. So, ginger root is for your like for your bloating. It will help you to reduce your bloating and your poor digestion. It will reduce all these things. Okay, and in your like now comes to the next point that we have repairing. In repairing, we have two main factors here, which first one is chlorium and the second one is green coffee beans. Okay, so what they exactly do? So chlorium, which help you to burn your glucose as much as it can, and green coffee beans will help you to reduce your body fat and your blood sugar, reduce your blood sugar and spike your insulin. Sounds great. So now the last one and the third one is the vitalizing. It includes ginkgo leaf and turmeric root. So what they do, ginkgo leaf will help you to reduce inflammation, so there would be less water in your body, and turmeric root will help you to detoxify your liver. So now you know the ingredients, now you know the how it works. So what I would like to tell you here, what again like a quick recap for our seminar. First one you have to do the cleansing, in which ginger root and green tea and some other ingredients will cleanse your body. Sounds great. And for the second month, will repair the damaged tissues and the damaged cells. It will repair itself. And now the third month, when your liver would be in a perfect position, we will vitalizing it with the vitamins and minerals with the help of ginkgo, some other ingredients, but mainly ginkgo leaf and turmeric root. Sounds great. Thank you so much.